Here is leftover banku, but I don't have soup. And my lovely Nigerian sister decided to prepare this leaf soup for me to use it to enjoy this banku together. So join us to prepare this soup together. This soup doesn't need much, and we are not going to add any meat to it. It's just only one tuna, because she said one tuna is okay for the soup. And I asked her the name of the soup. She just say it's concoction soup. Guys, is it not funny? Okay, so let's prepare this soup together. As you are watching, she have already blended her pepper, tomatoes, and onions. Now she chops some onions and add it in the oil and fry it. So here she's stirring it gentle. And now she's going to be adding the tuna to it. I bought 4 tuna for her, and she said no, only 1 is enough. So I'm just watching. I hope this soup will sweet. And here she added her blended tomato, pepper, onions, and then she added it. And now she's adding Maggi to it. She didn't add enough Maggi, only 2 cubes of Maggi. So she's stirring it again and leave it to boil for some minutes. At the beginning, you saw her chopping the leaves. Actually, you can use any nice sweet leaf of your choice. But this leaf that we are using, I don't actually know the name very well, because she's the one that bought it in the market. So here she's adding her chopped leaf in the soup, and then stir it gently until everything combine. Some people normally boil the leaves and then drain the water, then using it. But she said no. If you do that, you are going to throw away the nutrients of the leaves. So she's already chopping it, and then she washed it very well with salt and vinegar. And now she add it in the soup. Guys, look at the soup. Oh. This is concoction soup. Yes, it is. But trust me, it tastes very, very good and smells very good. Here is ready. Very simple and fast. So I'm going to use it to enjoy my leftover banku. If you have a leftover food, swallow, you can use it. Even fufu and banku, any leftover swallow food, you can make this amazing soup and enjoy with it. Thank you so much, my Nigerian people.